Discover the quick and easy way to say goodbye to your Google Ads account. Learn how to delete it in just a few simple steps. First of all, sign in your Google account if you haven't already signed in. After signing in, you will see Google Ad Account Dashboard. It is the new design. I will also show you how to delete Google Ad account on previous design. Let's say that we want to delete this account right here. The process is very simple. First of all, click on Admin, located at the bottom left side of your Google Ads account dashboard. After clicking on Admin, navigate to Preferences. Under Preferences, find the Account Status section. If you're using the new design, simply select I want to cancel my account, and then confirm it. Your Google Ad account will be deleted. For those using the previous design, switch to it by clicking on Appearance and selecting Previous Design. Once in the previous design, click on Tools and Settings at the top. Then, locate the Preferences option and click on it. Under Account Status, choose I want to cancel my account. Confirm your decision, and that's it. Your Google Ads account will be deleted. And there you have it. Deleting your Google Ads account is as easy as that. If the video was informative for you and helped you in any way, please sure to like our video. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Have a fantastic day in any time zone, and I'll catch you in the next video.